Hello guys, today I'm gonna read my comic. Later, I will speak in Tagalog. I will translate it. Mom, can I go? Can I go to the contest? There's singing contest, basketball, and running contest. Can I go? Okay. Yay, thank you, Mom. It says in a paper. Write the name of your son and the parents. The name of the mom is Bebang de la Cruz. The name of his father is Jose Dosmo. The name of the son is Lando Kong. And she practiced singing first. The second is basketball. Yes. And the third is running. And it's time to sleep. Days passed. It's time. The boy started singing. Doing basketball, he won and the singing contest and running. After this, the boy is first going to the stage and she's the first, and then this is the second and third. This is the first winner, the boy, and the second winner is the other boy, and the third is sad because he lost. Soon after, they have done climbing, and the boy had the trophy, and the other boy had the metal, and the boy had the plastic. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.